Hello traders, I hope you're ready because we have some funded account action to review. Okay, first of all, as you can notice here, this is a 50k funded account and it belongs to one of our traders from Turkey. Let's see the initial metrics first. 10% profit. Okay, another trader that forgot that he passed the challenge maybe, so 10% a huge score, especially on a funded account. Now the profit factor is quite impressive, not that impressive I should say based on this profit. Maybe we have a hard hitter on our hands, but we will check that once we take a look at the trades. Win ratio decent, closing into 60%, and as you probably noticed from the number of trades, this trader isn't really fussing that much. We probably have a day trader on higher time frames or maybe a swing trader. Nothing really much to notice on the performance chart, so let's check what pairs is this trader using. And from the looks of it, he uses forex and some gold here and there, and by forex I mean euro US dollar and sprinkled with some GBP USD. But this one maybe was a special occasion, so up to now we have the update up there. Let's check his most profitable trades first. And what I love to see, and we will have to update it up there as well, our trader is constantly using a stop loss and sometimes a take profit, which is something very nice. It's a mark of a disciplined trader. And let's check this trade on euro US dollar. Okay, first of all, regarding the risk profile, as you notice from this graph, our trader managed to book a whopping $2,100, making this an average of 4% for this trade. But what I find interesting regarding this trade is that his stop loss was placed close to the same distance as the opening price as the take profit. So basically we have a one-to-one trade with 4% risk on the table. That's quite insane if you ask me, but nonetheless we will check the losing trades. I'm pretty sure we will have some heavy stingers down there. Let's see if we can pinpoint something regarding the strategy. As I said, day trader close to a swing trader, so I think he's using higher time frames, maybe somewhere half an hour or 1 hour time frame. Trend kind of points to the downside, stop loss more than generous, take profit again. A bit of a drawdown here, but nothing really special. So up to now, this is all we have. Let's see the next trade. It's again on euro US dollar, and this time he banked a bit north of $2,000, still 4%, which is awesome. And again, we have a one-to-one trade. I think it's even less than 1-to-1, maybe 0.8, 0.7 to 1, which is insane given that this trade rendered him 4%, so maybe we have 4.5% down here. This is for sure a trend following day trader. Not really sure what indicators is he using, or if he is using some, because we can't really tell from this chart. But as you probably noticed, and as our trader noticed as well, we have a nice uptrend here building up. We have this push with momentum, and after this retracement, our trader decided that the market will make another push to the upside. And oh, this was close. The market ranged a bit, as you see from the chart displayed here, and then it dipped. So at this little green candle here, I'm pretty sure that he was more than 4% in the drawdown, which is kind of insane given that this is a funded account and the daily loss limit is 5%. But again, our trader certainly knows what he's doing. He is funded and he already had 2 profit splits. And nonetheless, the market grabbed whatever liquidity it needed. This downtrend channel broke to the upside with huge momentum and took our traders take profit. Nothing to say here, awesome. Another thing that I want to point out is that we notice some sort of consistency in terms of the lot size that he is using, but maybe we can get a better glimpse on that in the next funded account. Now let's check the most loss-making trade, and sincerely, after clicking here, I'm expecting to see something above $2,000 as well. And yes, fortunately for our traders, it was only one instance when he lost 7 hours for this trade. So again, day trader for sure, higher time frame, and the same one-to-one and the same lot size open. Our trader banked on the fact that this downtrend came to an end, and he for sure saw this higher high formation and higher low formation in the market and decided again to enter under retracement. So we have a trend retracement trader right here. This is close to as much info as we can get given the info provided by EverTrader. So unfortunately this was only a fake out. The market just took the liquidity that was laying up here and continued its way to the downside. Unfortunately for our trader, not really much in profit this trade. It was mostly just a drawdown trade, and it eventually died right here. What I love to see though is the discipline and the stop loss and take profit placements, and more importantly the discipline to not move them an inch, even if the market looks like this, even if the market is ranging. Maybe we have a trader that also has a day job. I'm just presuming, guys. Again, if you have something to contradict or to add, please comment in the comment section. I think it's a trader that also has a 9-to-5 job, and he basically opens a trade and forgets about it until he comes home and checks it. It could be that, but nonetheless, win rate good, scintillating, 11% almost profit on the funded account, and a nice profit split for Emrah from Turkey. Now let's go to the next funded account. Second profit split, a bit smaller this time, but still a profit. As you see from the performance chart, our trader was basically break even for half a month, and then we have this huge dip, not really huge actually, 1% dip in liquidity, but then shot up and managed to bank this $1,600 profit. Not bad for a month's trading, if you ask me. Win ratio close to the same shyness, I should say, in opening trades. So below 20 trades, which is awesome. What I love is that his total loss diminished. Well, his total win diminished as well, but maybe he changed something in his risk profile. We will have to check that out. And first of all, let's check what instruments. Maybe he added some. Okay, so he added US CAD. Okay, Forex, already noted that. Gold, and that's pretty much it. Going to the most profitable trade. It's on GBP USD this time. Short trade, below an hour. Again, stop loss, take profit. Love this. $1,500 or 3%. Not bad for an hour's work, if you ask me. And yes, we have the same one-to-one risk to reward placement. There's something that I love about the stop loss, and I don't know if you guys can agree with me, but I will just shoot it out there. I love the fact that he managed to save some pips in this area where I'm moving my mouse, because we have huge liquidity gathered above these tops. So we have one top, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 maybe tops right here. And yeah, our trader basically thought that if the market were to go up here, this liquidity was just laying above these tops and the market would have probably shot up. So nice job into preserving that risk to reward. Be it one-to-one, it's still something to take one-to-one. It makes your trade a bit more attainable. It makes your take profit a bit closer, and we of course all want that. This was a bit of a slam dunk. I mean, not really huge drawdown, and again, maybe our traders saw this momentum, this huge impulse to the downside, saw the retracement, and as usual, as per usual for our trader, he retraced into the previous high and then banked on the fact that the market will go to the downside, and nonetheless it did. I'd pretty much love to see our traders' thought process during this huge downwick candle, and then followed by this nice bullish closing candle, but yeah, maybe that's for the interview. Nonetheless, nice profit, slam dunk after this bit of a drawdown, nothing to add here. We haven't checked if we have an overnight holding trader, and we do. This trade is above 1 day, so update that up there. And yeah, beside this, low profits. Let's check the most loss making, and let's hope that our trader learns from the previous mistakes. And yes, he did. Only $247 or 0.5% risk in this loss on gold, which took 2 hours and a half. And yes, the same strategy applies. So trend trader waits for the retracement. Sorry, this is much more accurate. Lower low retracement to one of the previous highs. Stop loss more than generous. Unfortunately, the take profit was a bit too unattainable this time. And the thing that I want you guys to notice is that now he switched to 1 to 2 risk to reward trades from the looks of it. Not really sure if this is on a constant basis, but it's good for him to add this thing as well. Maybe he saw that this was a nice continuing bearish momentum and decided to bank on it. We don't have any history to the left, but nonetheless, I think we have the profile right here. Again, guys, looking forward into seeing you on one of our account reviews. Can't wait to evaluate your account. Can't wait to talk strategy with you guys in the comment section. Check the EverTrader site as well, up to $200,000 in funding. Initial feedback on some accounts, worth a check. See you in the next video. Bye bye.